You ask yourself two questions. What am I really, really good at? And who will pay me to do that? And if you can answer those two questions, you're ahead of about 98% of the job seekers out there, because nobody talks about that. Nobody's ever asked that question. We're asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? What school do you want to go to? What's your major? What are you going to do when you get out? Right? We're asked those very common questions, but we're never, ever asked, what are you really, really good at? What gets you out of bed in the morning? What would you do if you didn't get paid to do it? Right? And so that's the discovery period. And there's no better time while you're still in to figure that out. And I'll tell you, sometimes it's a process of elimination. I have a good friend who's a career coach, Coach Jenny, we call her, and Coach Jenny says, sometimes you may not know exactly what you're really, really good at or what you want to do, but you've learned from your life experience that whatever you're doing now, this ain't it. This shit ain't it. This is not what I want to do. Great. So let's move on from there. What's closer to your sweet spot? What gets you excited? How can you help people? How can you make a difference?